Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online session. In today phonics and spelling class, we would take spelling suffixes. So our topic is spelling suffixes. Please open page 58. Suffix means add to the end of the word. So here we have a list of 20 words with added suffix at the end of these words. 1. Carefully. 2. Wonderful. 3. Graceful. 4. Spoonful. 5. Darkness. 6. Shapeless. 7. Ageless. 8. Illness. 9. Goodness. 10. Spotless. 11. Painless. 12. Weakness. 13. Darkest. 14. Clearest. 15. Sickly. 16. Hardly. 17. Slowly. 18. Quickly. 19. Beautiful. 20. Thoughtful. Part A. Write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. Sentence number 1. The route was the darkest where there was no street light. So with EST, dark become darkest and EST is the suffix. Sentence number 2. The student carefully checks her test answers. Carefully is the answer with suffix ly. Sentence number 3. I had a wonderful time at the lake and would like to go back. So wonderful, when we add full with wonder, it becomes wonderful. Sentence number 4. My grandmother looks so young that people say she is ageless. For ageless, I have written meaning in the bracket, not growing old. It means she looks young, she maintains her health. So age with less being added become ageless. Less is the suffix. Sentence number 5. I took a spoonful of medicine and felt better. Spoonful means full spoon. Sentence number 6. The car moves so slowly that I thought we would never get there. Slow, slowly. With ly, it become, with ly is the suffix and slowly is in adverb. Sentence number 7. The scrap on my knee was painless and healed quickly. So there are many meanings of the scrape, but here it means gets a little injury. And painless, pain with suffix less, it means without having pain. Sentence number 8. The beautiful model was known for her pretty face. For pretty, I have written a little note, pleasing by delicacy or grace. Something which pleases you or someone. Sentence number 9. She gave me this for free out of goodness of her heart. So good with ness suffix, it becomes goodness. Sentence number 10. The sky had no clouds and was the clearest I had ever seen it. So clear with est, it becomes clearest. Part B. Write the spelling word that makes each definition below. 11. So we have the answer darkness. So lack of light is the definition of darkness. 12. Perfectly clean, spotless. So spotless means perfectly clean and spotless means free of impurity. 13. Lack of strength, it means weakness, or we can say weakness means lack of strength. 14. Sickness, illness. So illness means sickness. 15. Barely, hardly. So hardly means barely. 16. Not healthy, sickly. So sickly, ly is a suffix, sickly means not healthy. 17. Elegant in form, graceful. So graceful means elegant in form and graceful means pleasing or attractive. The thing that attracts you when you look at it, you please. 18, kind and considerate, thoughtful. So thoughtful means kind and considerate, attentive, when you give attention. 19, without form. So without form, shapeless. Shapeless means without form. 20, the last one, in a fast way, quickly. So quickly means in a fast way. Homework, please complete pages number 61 and 62, but please keep in your mind, don't forget this important note, follow pages of the original book. Thank you very much and have a nice